Hey now! It's episode 5 of the Booked Academy series, Perfect Persuasives. Let's take a look at what we've achieved so far. For the perfect, powerful, and precise persuasive, you'll need topics, check. Opinions, check. Reasons with examples and evidence, check, check, check. Powerful persuasive techniques, check, 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 check it. Bravo, you've got it all. In fact, switch off the video. You're ready. Start writing. See you later. No, actually, hang on. I'm only kidding. No, seriously, please don't turn it off. I mean, I spent so much money on this studio. I need the views.
This better be good.
A persuasive text has 3 main parts: the introduction, the body paragraphs, the conclusion. Your introduction should grab your reader's attention, and the opening sentences should clearly state the topic of your writing. Most importantly, your opinion. You also briefly mention the 3 main reasons you'll be discussing in the body paragraphs. You want the reader to immediately know what you think and get the idea that you mean business. In each body paragraph, you focus on just one of your main reasons or arguments at a time. This is where you use examples, evidence, and a whole range of the persuasive techniques to be as clear and as convincing as you can in persuading the reader.
You convince me, Einstein.
There are a few ways to set up and organize your body paragraph, and we'll leave it to your very intelligent teacher to choose which one. The teal structure, the hamburger model, the Oreo structure. I love these things. You know, a lot of people break it when they try to Finally, the conclusion. Your conclusion should restate your opinion, summarize your main points, and leave a lasting impression on your reader. You want them to walk away convinced by your argument and remember your persuasive text long after they finished reading.
That was awesome.
Hot tip, make that last line of your persuasive something real punchy. Mic drop, anyone? Actually, I better not touch that. That cost a lot of money. So, you've got the topic, you've got the opinion, you've got the reasons, you've got your examples, you've got the persuasive techniques, you've got the structure. Go for it. Get out there and write that persuasive text. Until then, bye now.